Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 9 p.m. PGT. At 5:59 p.m. PGT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.25 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to be. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Bernardino, Lake Arrowhead, Highland, Running Springs, Highway 18 between Running Springs and Skyfirst, PA 330 between San Bernardino and Running Springs, Rim Forest, Highway 18 between Running Springs and Big Bear, and Highway 173 between Lake Arrowhead and Hesperia. Flash flood warning.